How do? How do? How do? Hey, hey. How do? How do? How do? Bit of a follow on this from when I forgot what I did now, what video we called, but it was something in jet engine noise, you know, coming from diesel heater, the Chinese heater. But before we start, I just wanted to say that I'm no expert on these Chinese heaters. I'm only going to tell you what I've seen, read, etc. A lot of it has been obviously these Chinese heaters they're the clone, aren't they, of the CAMpRA, they're called. Exact clone. They're exactly the same in every single way, even the design, internal workings, everything. Right, but obviously this is about the exhaust system. This is what mine sounds like. It's a clip, this, from when I did the other video. Quite noisy, isn't it? Right, I'm hoping to cure it. I'm hoping it's not the bearing in inside the unit itself. Right, regarding the mufflers, silencers, whatever you want to call them. Right, there's two types. The early type, the inlet and the outlet, went in there, higher up, and what it is, the baffler inside, they're called mufflers. Obviously there's muffling out anyway. It went down there, round there, and then up and out. Whereas these are what they call flow through. As you can see, they go right through. Well, they do. The silencer on these is literally all around it. It's on that side, top, bottom, everywhere. And it's actually been proved that these are quieter than the mufflers. Now this is going off the CAMpRA, whatever they're called, CAMpRA information sheet. But the ones that go in there and round, I can't remember the exact, I should have wrote it down really, then I could run this video properly, but I don't understand decibels, but just for the sake of argument, just one of these gives out, for the sake of argument, this is not 10 decibels, just for the sake of argument. Those that go around there, the mufflers, give 13. If you put these two together, it can reduce it obviously by 50% because you've got two, but you've still got the flow through. It just goes straight through. Now, with any system of exhaust, you don't want any obstruction. You need to get rid of the gases. Now these that go around there like that don't, do they? It's got to go round a bend, if you will. Then you've also got your 90-degree bend coming out of the bottom of your heater. Then it has to go through the pipe, obviously, and then through another bend, and then wherever else you're going with pipe. And there's a tolerance of so many degrees. What it is, right, there's a bloke in, I think he's in Australia, and he did a video on it, and he's actually set it all up and proved it. So what I'll do, I'll put a link. If you look at your screen now, top right hand corner, I'll put a link there to where you can watch this video, and it explains all about these, the advantages, the disadvantages. He even did a decibel test, everything. Right, so I'm going to put both of these on. I'm going to cut this and then join two together. Then I'll be able to have a look at the old one, because like I say, which you heard, it's so loud. How do? Yeah, it's so loud, isn't it? Yeah, so I'll just get set up. I'll have a look and see. I don't think I need to jack the vehicle up. I'll get some board, because bloody plague me ants here. The ants all over me. Bastard. All right. I've got these ones, 15 to 25, and they're British. So I'll put one of them on there. You know, I can't see how these are going to do out. Maybe, maybe not. God, that went on easy. Right. Oh. Right, I've changed to the double wires. I just didn't trust them. I really didn't. Anyway. Right, this is my setup. Like I say, there's a 90-degree bend here. You know, for obstruction. I'm not organised here at all, am I? There doesn't seem to be anything wrong with this. I could definitely get one of these bad boys on anyway. I didn't even have one on, no? Wrong ones. Can't be. 25 mil. When you're putting these on, don't forget that there's like a drain hole there, so it's like that. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this at all. So I haven't worked out yet how I'm going to fix it up. Why is that not happening now? Right, I have the problem now of getting it held up. Oh, come on. I'm going to put two brackets together. Obviously that's going to have to go like that. In fact, that doesn't even go on. Oh, it has to go like that. That's it. That's not going to work, is it? Oh, got my neck. Oh. God. Fucking whinge. Right, so where's my other one? If that were like that, and this was like that, I wonder if we straighten that. Straighten that out. Yeah, we'll give that a go. Right, this could work. What I'm going to have to do is I'll bolt that together. Or put that on there first. Put that on there first, yeah. We can hurdy-gurdy it, can't we? Right, I shall do that and drill that. So if that can go there, I could tighten that up a bit more. Oh, come off. Oh. Come off. Oh. Right, and this. Go like that. So we could put that over there. Well, that's a waste of time doing it there because there's a frame at chassis at the back. I didn't realise. Oh, oh, something with me, isn't there? Oh, dearie, dearie me. What, for postage? No, man. You don't have to have any metal drill bits, do you? Yeah, I hate drilling steel and fucking metal and all that shit. Oh, that's going down. Fucking brilliant. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, done. Right. Right, where am I going with this now? Shall I go in that way? No, better that, aren't I? How are you doing? Right, I'd like to put another one, you know, somewhere here. That's what I could have done in time. Just, you know, just literally make something up. Well, that's on anyway. It's well sturdy, isn't it? It's a bit wobbly because of wobbliness. Fucking hate working on the floor. Well, let's give it a go, eh?
Is that it? Just that?
Yeah, got the flow through.
Put that back on and try it.
No. Oh, I'm well chuffed. Oh, here we go.
No,
It's it's firing up now.
Try it now. I can hear it firing up. Gas, can't it? Diesel. Yes, burning now. No, it's still quiet, is that? Here we go, now we can have it. Still not like that. Still not like this one.
Well, no. That's nice. Yeah, it's good. CAMpRA. I'm a YouTuber.
Ah, right.
That's the bear.
This is like the master.
No, the actual noise is coming from the exhaust, not from heater. No, it is coming from here.
Coming from down there somewhere. Must be bearing it somewhere.
Definitely. It's bearing it.
Definitely coming there.
Yeah, it's definitely bearing, isn't it? Oh, what a bastard. Hey? Yeah, they cloned, there's a heater called X Factor. Maybe 1,000 quid. They're all right. Yeah, it's still too loud at the back. Should that look off? That's it. Yeah, well, it seems like it's the bearing on the motor. I know it's quiet, a lot quieter. Well, not a lot, but it's that start up, isn't it? You can hear it. Anyway, thanks for joining me on this thrilling episode of How Do. So, after today's antics, conclusion. It is actually a little bit quieter. It's that fire up, the initial fire up. But it's got to be the motor. What I'm going to do tomorrow, I'm going to see if I can get the cover where the fan is, get the cover off and see if the fan is catching. There's like a plastic plate on top. Oh, not a plate, it's a cover, a plastic cover I should say. And right at the back of the cover, imagine, twisting to an advertisement for backer by the way, if that's your plate, well, your cover that goes over the top of your fan, and there's a little, say that's it, there's a little do like that, little plastic, so it's just a plastic cover like that, and in there, that there, right at the top, you've got a hole with a screw which holds the cover on. Right, so what you have to do, because the fan is catching the front of this cover, the fans are not held on by all, they're just on a spindle, that's it, they're not fixed. And obviously with the heat and everything, they move back and they start catching on this. That could be doing the noise, you know, vibrating through. So what they do, this plastic piece here, that's part of this cover, they file it back so they can move the cover back and then the fan doesn't catch. So tomorrow I'm going to investigate that, so stay tuned.